Salesmate CRM features, strengths, weaknesses. Salesmate is a CRM solution primarily targeted at small to medium-sized businesses, particularly those focused on sales-driven growth. Key features include contact management, sales automation, deal pipelines, email marketing integration, activity tracking, and reporting dashboards. Its strength lies in its user-friendly interface and its robust sales automation capabilities. Users can create custom sales pipelines tailored to their specific business processes, automate repetitive tasks like follow-up emails and task assignments, and gain visibility into deal progress. Contact management is solid, allowing for detailed profiles and segmentation. Reporting provides insights into key sales metrics, helping to identify areas for improvement. Who is it ideal for? Teams requiring streamlined sales processes, automated workflows, and a centralized view of customer interactions will find Salesmate valuable. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the weaknesses. While Salesmate boasts extensive features, its integration capabilities can be limited compared to larger, more established CRMs. The level of customization, although present, might not satisfy businesses with highly unique or complex requirements. Pricing can also become a factor as your team grows. It scales based on user count, and the cost per user might be higher than some competitors at larger scales. The mobile app, while functional, could benefit from enhanced features and a more intuitive design. A pro is its intuitive interface, making onboarding new team members straightforward. Another pro is its excellent customer support, which is consistently praised by users. A con is limited advanced features in the base plan, requiring upgrades for full functionality. Another con is reporting limitations, which can make it cumbersome to build a custom report. In conclusion, Salesmate CRM is a strong contender for SMBs seeking a user-friendly and sales-focused CRM. Its strengths lie in its automation and ease of use. However, it's essential to carefully evaluate whether its integration capabilities and customization options align with your specific business needs and long-term growth plans. Weigh the cost against the features you'll actually use and consider whether the limitations outweigh the benefits for your organization.